Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are on Bitcoin. And I know we did stream and did a little deeper analysis on Bitcoin 2 days ago, but I kind of promised during that stream that I will do a video if there's going to be a short opportunity coming up. And so far, not to alarm you or anything, like Bitcoin is still looking pretty fine on 4-hour and daily, higher time frames. But what I'm seeing right now is there's going to be an opportunity on a smaller time frame to take a little bit of a short at it, just a little scalp to kind of hedge it against all of the altcoins positions that we have at the moment. So yeah, it could act as a good hedge. But yeah, just to run you through what we did during the stream. But before we do that, I gotta tell you guys, please join our channel right on YouTube, subscribe, like the video, punch that notification button so that you get our videos on daily on the front screen of your YouTube, right? And we do make them every day except on Sunday. A little rundown from before the stream if you haven't checked it, right? Basically we said that this is a 14k area, which is going to be a really important area, where we actually expect there's going to be a little bit of pullback, due to the fact this being such an important area. Yes, it's obviously, it could just moon through all the way up to 17k, but it is one of those areas that are going to go down for like 70% of the chance. So yeah, we're not gonna do any knife catches or anything like that. I already mentioned that if the price is gonna go sideways, then I will intend to jump into a trade or take a short at it. And for this short right now, we have to jump on a little bit of a smaller time frames, because if we're not on smaller time frames, well, it's nothing to be seen on higher ones. As if we jump back to 4 hours, you can see this is still looking pretty much fine, and even back on daily, it's still looking it's still looking pretty good, right? So yeah, now jumping back to like 15 minutes, and you can see where I'm going here. So if you were trading lower time frames, this would be definitely your long spot, but I'm not so much interested in long spot because we do have our spot longs, which we have sold some in this area. We do have them, and now we are actually looking for a little bit of a short, right? So the first area that we are met here with the short is gonna be this one, and this one is a little bit of a bearish area on smaller time frames, right? And the second area, and I'm gonna just delete the high time frame area, and the second area right now is gonna be covering this now as well. So how this is gonna work is you can either take one of these two shorts, depends on how high, like how much you like to risk to begin with, because this one up here is a lot safer than the one down. Or you can just split them between two shorts, like 0.5% on this one and 0.5% on this one, right? So that you don't miss anyone if it manages to happen, right? So here, the first short, the most safe one, is going to be stop above the top. As you can see, stop is above 1%, definitely pretty good stop, right? And we are going to target this as a first profit target. So in this case, it is 1.8R, or just 2% move on this on the coin, right? And the second one is going to be all the way down to here, and there's a reason I'm going to aim all the way to down here, because if I'm correct on the short, we'll probably go much further than this, right? But as you can already see, this is 6R, or should I say more than 6%. So you can you can pretty much tell that this is a really good profit target to take on this coin already. But if this one manages to break down my last profit target, and I'll just do it with the line, so this is like a second profit target. And I'm not gonna tag this one because we already have a box here, right? But okay, I can put a line on the middle. And the last profit target is gonna be all the way down here. Like I'm gonna aim all the way down here, right here, a little bit up, and you can see this is almost a $2,000 move, 13R or 13%, right? So yes, it is quite a nice one. And if that happens, then I will maybe take on a higher time frames another short, just to kind of refill the one that is already breaking down. But now going back to 15 minutes, it can happen that there's going to be only a little bit of a pump here, just enough to fill our first position. And technically speaking, there could be like there still could happen something that we don't get filled on either of those positions, and it still breaks down because it has been a little bit overextended, but we're still pretty much have to try, right? So this will be my stop loss for this trade, about here, yep, right here. So about $160, 1.2%. With the first profit target, then I'm going to aim it, I'm gonna aim it quite deep again. First profit target is gonna go right down here for 4%, right, or 4R. So you can see I will go quite big on this one, because there's no sense of me taking profit target here, right? Because this area has now been tested. So if it comes down here, I'm gonna expect it to go even lower, right? And of course, the last profit target on this time, second profit target is gonna be here as well, right? And if this happens, I'm gonna find another trade to kind of refill our main trade already, you know, just gonna do another stab, because as you can see, even the price action, or should I say structure, is so overextended, the reward ratio is just crazily good, right? There's like, even if you get wrecked on these two trades and you lose 1%, it's nothing compared to when it's gonna work the next time. If it's gonna work the next time and you make actually 12%, 13%, I mean, you basically made 13x from what your trade was, right? So it's very well worth it. So yeah, this would be pretty much all, guys. I mean, do subscribe to our channel, like the video if you like this kind of videos. We do them every day, right? And also join our 4C Telegram community channel, where we discuss stop losses. We do Bitcoin updates on daily, and you know, just all this trading stuff, we do them there, right? So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.